Welcome to Chemistry Online. See students, in previous class we discussed molecular orbital energy diagram of N2. Now we are going to discuss molecular orbital energy diagram of O2. See, it is very important question. Molecular orbital energy diagram of O2. See, this is we may say MOED. This is we may say MOED. Okay. Molecular orbital energy diagram is nothing but MOED. Or MOED of O2. See here, for drawing molecular orbital energy diagram of O2, you have to know first its electronic configuration and its atomic number and its electronic configuration. See here, oxygen atomic number is 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So here how many electrons? 2. Here how many electrons? 2. Here how many electrons? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So based on this electron configuration, now we are going to draw molecular orbital energy diagram of O2. A small difference between MOED of N2 and MOED of O2. Now I am going to show. See here, this is a energy barrier. Okay. See, this is AO. It is AO. It is MO. AO means atomic orbital, MO means molecular orbital, here AO means atomic orbital. Atom is oxygen, here atom is oxygen, here molecular orbital is O2. Okay. Okay, this is 1s of 1 oxygen, it is 1s of another oxygen which having 2 electrons, Okay, it is a sigma 1s, it is a sigma star 1s. Okay, then okay, this is a 2s, this is a 2s, this is a 2s. Here how many electrons it having? 1, 2. Here how many electrons it having? 1 2. It is sigma 2s. Okay, it is sigma star 2s. Okay, and then okay, okay. So this is two p. How many? 2 electrons, 1 electron, 1 electron. Here it is 2p, 2 electrons, 1 electron, 1 electron. Previously we have okay, 2pz is inside. Now I am taking 2pz, sigma 2pz is outside. Now it is pi 2px, it is pi 2py. Okay, then it is pi star 2px, it is pi star 2py. Okay, then it is sigma star 2pz, sigma star 2pz. So this is the way molecular orbitals are filled by electrons according to Pauli's, Hofbauer and Hund's rule. So here I am filling now. Okay, here first electron enters. Next second electron enters. Okay, 1s is filled. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1s is filled. These are molecular orbitals. Next, here first electron, 2s is filled. Then here second electron and here second electron. So sigma star 2s is filled. Molecular, anti-molecular, molecular, anti-molecular means molecular bonding, anti-molecular bonding. Next, here first electron. Okay, here how many electrons? 2. Here how many electrons? 2. So first electron, sigma 2pz is filled. Okay, then here second electron, here second electron. These two are degenerated orbitals which having similar energy. So these two are filled with at least 1 electron, then pairing takes place. So it is over. Next, here second electron pairing, here second electron pairing. Okay, then it is a first electron enters into pi star. So here first electron enters into pi star 2py. It will not pair. So degenerated orbitals are filled with at least one electron, then pairing takes place. So this is the way we may fill. Now electronic configuration of O2 is first sigma 1s2, comma next sigma star 1s2, comma next sigma 2s. How many? 2. Next sigma star 2s2, it is a over. Then sigma 2pz2. Okay, then here these two are degenerated orbitals having similar energy, pi 2p x2, pi 2p y2. Okay, then here pi star 2p x1, then here pi star 2p x1, sorry, y1. Okay, this is the way we may write electronic configuration of O2. Electronic configuration of O2. Next bond order. Bond order equal to number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbital 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minus anti-bonding star. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 minus 6 by 2. It is a 4 by 2. It is a 2. So oxygen, between oxygen double bond is present. Then any unpaired electrons in bonding molecular orbitals, here 2 unpaired electrons. So it is paramagnetic nature. And due to presence of 2 unpaired electrons, so nitrogen molecule is diamagnetic nature. Diamagnetic nature. Okay, so this is the way we may discuss molecular orbital energy diagram of O2. Very important for 2 marks, 4 marks. Very important for 4 marks. So this is the way. Okay, atomic orbitals, molecular orbitals are 2 types: bonding and debonding. Bonding is denoted by sigma pi delta, and anti-bonding is denoted by sigma star pi star delta star. The only one difference here, 2pz is inside for nitrogen, here 2pz is outside. Means in O2 molecule 2pz has low energy, in N2 molecule 2pz has high energy. Okay, next, up to this, in this chapter we discussed ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond. Now we are going to discuss one more type of bond, that is hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond. Okay, hydrogen bond. Okay, very important, it is also for 4 marks. Okay, what is hydrogen bond means? If you take hydrogen atom, okay, hydrogen atom which is bonded with fluorine, oxygen or nitrogen, which having partially positive charge and which having negative charge. Okay, between these two means between hydrogen and fluorine, hydrogen and oxygen, and hydrogen and nitrogen, a weak electrostatic forces of attractions can be developed due to weak electrostatic forces, due to weak electrostatic forces of attractions due to weak electrostatic forces of attraction between hydrogen atom which having partially positive charge and atoms fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen having negative charge, high electronegative value. Okay, high electronegative value having oxygen or fluorine or hydrogen. So between these two weak electrostatic forces of attraction arise. So that is nothing but a hydrogen bond. Okay, between hydrogen atom which having partially positive charge, hydrogen equal to partially positive charge, and oxygen comma fluorine comma nitrogen equal to highly electronegativity value, high electronegativity value. Okay, between these two weak electrostatic forces of attraction can be arised. The type of attraction forces is nothing but a hydrogen bond. Okay, it is of two types. It is of two types. Okay, the first one is intermolecular hydrogen bond, intermolecular hydrogen bond, and second one is intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. Okay, the inter and intra. So here this type of bond is formed between two same or different molecules. It is formed between two same or different molecules, two same or different molecules. Okay, this type of bond is formed between, it is formed between two different atoms, two different atoms in a same molecule, two different atoms in a same molecule. Okay, here example H2O, okay, NH3, okay, HF, all these are examples. Here example C6H4 OH CHO, C6H4 OH NO2 OH, C6H4 NO2 OH. Name of this molecule is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Name of this molecule is orthonitrophenol. Okay, so here first one H2O. How intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed means, so H2O structure is like this: hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. Okay, then hydrogen, oxygen and hydrogen. It having partially positive charge, it is negative charge. It is a positive charge, it is a negative charge, it is a positive charge. Now between these two bond is formed. It is intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond. The second one is HF. So here hydrogen fluorine, it having partially positive charge, it having negative charge, it having positive charge, it having negative charge. Now the bond is between these two. It is called intermolecular hydrogen bond. Okay, then here first one, okay, then here first one C6H4 OH CHO. If you draw its structure, it is like this. Okay, here it is a C single bond H double bond O. It is a O and single bond H. Now it is partially negative charge, it is partially positive charge. Now here bond is formed. ఇది ప్లస్ డెల్టా. ఓకే, it having plus delta, it having minus delta. Now the bond is called, it is called intramolecular hydrogen bond. Next second one C6H4 NO2 OH, C6H4 NO2 OH. Okay, so here it is a NOH, it is a O and it is a H. Here it is a N double bond O and it is a O. Okay, now the bond between hydrogen and these two, it is negative delta it is a positive delta. Okay, now it is a negative delta, that is positive delta. So here this type of bond is called, okay, this type of bond is called intramolecular hydrogen bond. It is a intermolecular hydrogen bond. Here two different atoms in this same molecule. Here two different atoms in this same molecule. Here two different molecules are same molecules. Here two same molecules, two different same molecules, two different same molecules. So it is a intermolecular hydrogen bond, that is intramolecular hydrogen bond. Okay, so this is very important question. It is a very important question. Okay, so this is a hydrogen bond. What is hydrogen bond means? Due to electrostatic forces of attraction between a partially positive charged hydrogen atom and a highly electronegative value having atoms like fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen are called hydrogen bond. It is of two types: intermolecular hydrogen bond, intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed between two same or different molecules. It is formed between two different atoms in a molecule. Okay, so this is today's class. Both are very important topics. 4 marks and 4 marks. Molecular orbital energy diagram of O2 and hydrogen bond. Okay, going to leave.